Hi there folks, it's Dr. H, the Cryptopractor, and on this channel we have hands-on practical edutainment for the new crypto investor, blossoming neophyte and the next generation OG. And in this short video I'm going to show you how to switch on the subtitles, which are going to give you 10 languages. So this may be if your English isn't your first language and you just want to get some of the granular detail of what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you how to find which videos of mine that have 10 languages and how to switch them on. And the simple fact is most of my main videos will have the languages on, and then the shorts probably get them later. So if you come to the video, if you have a look at the thumbnail, there is a blue ball, and inside the ball it lists all of the languages. It lists all of the languages that I deal with in the translation. So we have Chinese, simplified and traditional for Taiwan and mainland China. We've got Spanish, Italian, Arabic, French, Hindi, German, Portuguese and Ukrainian. So you can send these videos out to your onboards with the link to the translation. If they don't know how to switch on the subtitles, get them switched on, away you go. And I'm going to show you how to get going right now. So let's have a look at what is crypto. This is my #1 video in my 6 video set.
For security.
Just switch that off. We can see we've got the subtitles switched on there, or the closed captions as they call them in North America, and we're going to just toggle that off. Okay, but if we come here to settings, here you see it said subtitles. Well, actually in brackets it says 11, and that means there are 11 different languages that you can choose from. Currently they're off. So we're going to pick, say for example, si yo no entiendo inglés, soy de España, I'm from Spain. I'm going to switch on the Spanish ones there. There we've got the Spanish. And you can see straight away the closed captions. Actually, I think they're called subtitles when it's translation of language. So you've got the subtitles on right there. Now, so that's the first thing. The second thing I want to do is I want to change this title and all this description. Now, usually if you go and do what I do, it will just change some of the main features. It won't change all of this. But because I've had these videos professionally translated, if you go to your account, scroll down to where it says languages. Currently we've got British English. We're going to switch on Español, España. So we've got Spanish, Spanish, and that's updating that there. May take a few minutes. I've got a lot of tabs open because I've been working on a few things. And as it runs through this little thing,
Photography for security operates
switch
in
me off there so you don't have to listen to me, but we've got the subtitles clicking on there, all in Spanish. You can see the title has been changed into Spanish, and as has the description. Okay, so that's fantastic. So you can get that out to your onboards or to friends and family that are perhaps back in the old country, so that they know what you're getting up to, or they can possibly get interested in what you've got going on. Okay, so hope that's been of use. If this is the sort of stuff you love, then hit the well, there you go, it's on the screen. Spank the like, hit the subscribe, and ding the bell notification to all, and when I drop my next video you will be amongst the first people to get it. Okay, so I'm actually going to pop just well, actually they're going to be up there. They're going to be up there. I'm going to pop a couple of videos up there. It's going to be specially selected for you, so I hope you're going to enjoy that. And Dr. H